guys, ang sunod na programa natin is simple lang ito, no? But still gagawa natin ng video. This is how to change the front wiper, no? Ang Toyota Vitz. Ito yung ganyang wiper dito. So as you can see, buo na po yan. So palagi piliin yung merong pangkalang dyan, just in case na babagsak yung kanyang wiper arm or wiper blade or wiper arm, whatever you called, hindi mag-damage yung kanyang maiwasan masira yung kanyang or mag-crack yung kanyang screen, front screen. And then like if you see like ganyan, tapos babagsak yan. So para maiwasan na pagbagsak niyan, metal tapos dito glass is may tendency po na mag-crack yung glass, of course. So lalagyan niyo po ng pangkalang just in case po na para safety, no? Or cloth or whatever, phelo, whatever you have. Basta lagay niyo ng pangkalang para hindi po tuloy-tuloy yung pagbagsak ng kanyang wiper arm at kadahilanan na masira po yung kanyang tawag nito, kanyang screen. Okay, windscreen. This is how you're gonna change your wiper. So guys, so change your wiper. Again, you put something like here, so it will not harm your windscreen. Okay, so here you need like a flathead screwdriver here, but this time it doesn't need. Just like lift your fingers up like that, and then once you lift it up, just wiggle it around here like that, you know, push it like forward, and here you go. So ganyan po. So put this one here and push. Don't forget this to protect your windscreen from damage. This is now the new one. This is like 700 millimeter and the length is 28. Okay. Wiper blade. Ganyan po. So iba naman itong na to, ibang design, but siyempre pwede po natin maitabi dito. So ito siya, bago ito. So i-press nyo dito, press like that. Okay, may lock po ito dito, so i-press nyo lang both sides and then flip up, and then on that i-zoom in natin para makita nyo yung kabuuan. Okay, and then this thing is like that. What you're gonna do, you're gonna press here both side hard and then plug, and then here is like kind of a hook here. So ganyan, a hook, slip in, slide inside. Once it's clicked down, push it down, it's done. And here you go. So it's your wiper, and once you've done it, you're gonna have to try if the wiper is working. So you're gonna try now. tubig yung kanyang ano, no? Merong lumabas dito, but it's not enough. That means the reservoir or the bottle or the container bottle of the windscreen washer is empty, almost empty. So this one natin may na lagyan ng tubig yung kanyang ano, para lalabas yung water pressure, no? Sa jet wash. So ang ating susunod dito is yung kanyang rear. Okay, palitan din natin. So again, something like to protect the wiper from hammering it down, or just do this thing like that. Kita nyo? This is plug and play. See how it goes. Okay. Change the new one. This one here. Of course, pull up like that. Pull down. So that's how you're gonna change your wiper on a Toyota Vitz 131. Thank you. So nilagyan na natin ng tubig, guys. As you can see, full water now. And then we will see wipers jets are working, water jets are working. We'll see. 1 2 3 4 5, down. See, now it's working. Okay, so before it's not because there's no water. And we will see also the rear if there is water coming on. Like there's no water on the rear, but the wiper is working. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Okay guys, kumana na po yung ano, yung kanyang rear, no? Meron ng tubig. As you can see. So meron ng tubig dyan sa rear. So meron na tubig. Okay, so kumana na yung tubig sa rear. Ayos na. So we're good here, we're good. Thank you very much, bye bye.